birthday, sir. You are the one who turned my fear of accounts into my passion. Your encouragement always supported me and shaped me what I am today. Thank you for always believing in me, supporting me, and guiding me to grow. May your days full of joy and kindness as you always do in our lives. You are the mentor whose impacts cannot be forgettable in our lifetimes. You always explain me whether it's a doubt of accounts or it's a doubt of my life. You always explain me within simplest example and always promoted and guided me to follow my passion. Thank you for everything. I hope I'll make you proud.
Happy birthday, sir. And thank you so much for always helping me out, teaching me, teaching all of us, which is helping us a lot nowadays in our life. And I think I could never say that in front of you, so maybe through this video I can share. And I'm really very grateful that I had got a teacher like you, a mentor who always supported, always guided through everything. And thanks a lot, sir. Your teachings, your thoughts, your words, and one of your motto that is winners do not do different things, they do things differently. And that made me realize that it doesn't matter if we get good grades, that those grades cannot decide our future. And I always think that yes, that is true what you used to say. And I hope one day I'll make you feel proud, that you would feel proud that I was among one of your students who have succeeded in life. And thank you so much, sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. Even after so many years of my class 10th days, your blessings and guidance are still cherished. May you always stay happy, healthy, and continue to inspire all the students like you inspired us.
Hello sir, I wanted to take a moment to wish you a very happy birthday. I truly appreciate everything you have done for me, especially the way you motivated and encouraged me during my most challenging times, from my board exams to my NEET preparation. Your guidance and kind words have always motivated me to keep moving forward, and I truly feel fortunate to have someone like you to look up to. On this special day, I sincerely wish you a good health, endless happiness, and our continued success in all what you do. Happy birthday once again, sir. May this year be as remarkable and as inspiring as the impact you had on so many of us. Thank you.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. On your special day, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude. It is only because of your kind support, guidance and encouragement that I have been able to reach Graphic Era University Dehradun. Every day here is a new learning experience for me, which would not be possible without your support. Thank you so much, sir, for being my inspiration.
Thank you so much, sir, for all your support. You are not only a great motivator and guide, but also a true inspiration in my life. Your encouragement and teaching have always pushed me to do better and move forward with confidence. Thank you, sir.
I feel truly blessed to have been your student from class nursery. Your care, your motivation helped me not grow in academics, but also as a good person. On a special day, I pray for your good health, happiness and long life.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. Just like the lamp lightens the path in the darkness, you have illuminated our life with knowledge and wisdom. So, on your birthday, I wish you the same brightness, warmth and joy in your life. Wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Hello sir, hope you're doing well. It's your birthday today and I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. I pray that you are blessed with joy, peace and everything you deserve. And thank you so much for coming in our life as a teacher, and we always feel blessed. And thank you so much as being a motivator to us always. And you have a great day. Thank you.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. Today, I just want to say thank you, not only for being the director of our school, but also for being a true guide and inspiration. The values and lessons I have learned under your leadership will always stay with me throughout my life. You have not only built an institution, but also touched so many lives, including mine. On your special day, I pray that you are always blessed with happiness, health, and peace. Once again, many happy returns of the day, sir.
Happy birthday to the most incredible person. You rule the impossible, handling thousands of energetic students and building confidence in them. You're amazing. Just a heads up, don't blow the candles, it'll take too long. Just kidding. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Chaman sir. Many happy returns of the day to you. On this special occasion, I will pray for your good health, endless happiness, and continued success in everything you do. I feel truly blessed to have been the part of the school from the very beginning, and I've seen your vision and dedication shaped it what it is today. You just didn't build a school, you have created an environment where students like me could grow, learn, and discover our own potential. Even now in college, I realize how much of my journey is being guided by the values and discipline I have learned under your guidance. For that, I will always remain grateful. Thank you, sir, for being a mentor, a role model, and a true inspiration. Once again, a very happy birthday.
Thank you so much, sir, for being more than a teacher. Your kindness and patience have meant the world to me, and I will never forget the impact you have had on my life. So, on this auspicious occasion, I would like to sing this song for you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, आप जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Chaman sir, happy birthday to you.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. May God bless you with all the happiness in the world. On this special day, I want to express my heartfelt thanks for all the guidance, support, blessings you put on us. Today, what we are, you were and are the greatest support and guidance to make our life brighter and successful. Thanks for everything, sir. You are a great teacher and doing a great job providing education to a number of students. Today, I want to again thank you for all the hard work you put on us. Happy birthday once again and thank you for everything, sir.
Hello, sir. Wish you a very happy birthday. May your birthday be as special as your guidance. It has been a wonderful journey right from school time till today under your guidance. I still remember that you were the first person who encouraged me to pursue chartered accountancy as a career, and the most happiest one when I cleared the same. Will always ensure you to follow the path you taught us during our schooling. Once again, a very happy birthday and thank you for all your guidance and support.
Happiest birthday, sir. It's my privilege of having you in my life as a mentor who has always supported us and showed us a way to success. Back in days when I was a kid and we have shifted from Rajasthan to here, and I have joined Gurukul in 2006, so I don't even know how to speak in Hindi and adjust in an environment that was completely different from ours. So my father said, now they are your kids and you have to look towards them, and from that day you are like parent to us, who has supported us, scolded us to make our better versions. For me, there are no words to explain your support, nor I can. You are like as director, as a mentor, as a guide, but you always has a separate place in my life. So I wrote 2 lines for you, sir. कि बातें बहुत सी है करने को और बहुत सी ऐसी बातें हैं जो रह जाएंगी. बातें बहुत सी है ऐसी करने को और बहुत सी ऐसी बातें हैं जो रह जाएंगी, पर आपकी कीमत इन बातों से कहाँ लगाई जा पाएगी. Happiest birthday, sir. Thank you for supporting us and keep supporting us. Thank you.
Hi sir, I hope you remember me. This is Yakshu Bhatia. Wishing you a very happy birthday and a day filled with joy and happiness. and I hope you know that Gurukul always has been an extended family to us. Every teacher's, including yours, guidance has left a lasting mark in our lives, and now I can proudly say that I work as a successful engineering professional here for one of the largest bank in US, and a great shout out to goes to you for that. I hope you enjoy your day and you continue to get recognition for all you do, and I seriously hope that you take a day off to celebrate this occasion. Happy birthday once again.
Hello sir, wishing you a very happy birthday. Even though I'm living far away, but I still carry with me the values and the lessons that I have learned under your guidance. Even in Canada, whenever any one of my friends is going through a bad phase, so I used to motivate them by giving the same speeches that you used to give us when we were in school. Your leadership and your vision has always inspired me, and I feel very grateful to have studied under your guidance. On this special day, I wish you good health, happiness, and many more successful years ahead. Once again, happy birthday sir, and best wishes from across the miles.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday sir. Today I got a wonderful opportunity to speak few lines about you. You are a great leader, you are a mentor, you are a good listener, and many more. The more I say for you, the less it is. Since I have left Gurukul, it is being 15 years I have left Gurukul, but the memories are still left. Still, I remember the day when Gurukul was merged with Springdale. I came to you and I have told you about my financial condition, that I am not able to study in this school. But you have supported me a lot and you have given me 100% scholarship, due to which I have studied in Gurukul. I was only the student for you, but you have considered me as a part of your family. And whatever I am today, I am just because of you. You are a great inspire for me. You have inspired me a lot in every field of life, and I have never seen a hardworking person in my life like you. And whenever I started losing hope in my life, I just remember your words that winners don't do different things, but they do things differently. Once again, happy birthday sir.
प्रणाम गुरुकुल। शिक्षा और नैतिकता ये एक स्टूडेंट के, एक विद्यार्थी के बेसिक सिद्धांत होने चाहिए। जब एक विद्यार्थी किसी भी विद्यालय में या गुरुकुल में शिक्षा लेने जाता है, तो शिक्षा के साथ साथ नैतिकता का पाठ अवश्य पढ़ाना चाहिए, क्योंकि शिक्षा आपको जीरो से टॉप पे लेके जाती है, लेकिन नैतिकता आपको हमेशा उस जीरो की कड़ी के साथ, उस समाज के साथ बांधे रखती है, ताकि आप आगे चल के अपना पीछे की रूट्स जो हैं उसे भूल ना जाएं। यही चीजें हमने अपने प्रिंसिपल सर मिस्टर चमन भाटिया से सीखी हैं, और अन्य जो भी हमारे उस टाइम गुरुजन थे 10वीं क्लास तक के, उनसे सीखी हैं, और वही पाठ आज तक हम अपने जीवन में लाके उन्हें अमल करके आगे बढ़ते हुए अपने जीवन को व्यतीत कर रहे हैं। तो ये दोनों चीजें बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हैं। इसी के साथ आज हमारे प्रिय गुरुजन जो हमारे स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल और फाउंडर भी हैं, उनका जन्मदिन है, तो उनको जन्मदिन पे बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और मैं चाहता हूं कि बाकी भी विद्यार्थियों को आप ऐसे ही गाइड करते रहें और उनके भविष्य में उनको आगे बढ़ाने में उनका सहयोग करें और उनको सही दिशा दिखाएं। नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सर। आपका जीवन जो है वो बहुत ही सुखदायी और बहुत ही लंबा हो।
Happy birthday to an exceptional leader, sir. May this birthday brings lots of joy, happiness, health and success in your life. So firstly, I would like to thank you for your guidance and efforts towards us. Sir, you are really an amazing person and a true teacher who don't only teach lessons but ignite curiosity and help us grow. Sir, you are my role model, as your dedication and determination always inspires me. And so in my life there are very few people who wanted me to fulfill my dreams, and so you are the one who has always guided and motivated me. So I remember, as you said, that dreams never die, and I will never let my dreams die, and soon I will come to meet you as CS Sia Bhagwani. And so these words are not enough to just thank you for your efforts and guidance, and so you are truly an inspiration for all of us, and you are perfect in everything. And so we are very fortunate to have you as a mentor and a teacher. And at last I would like to say that kings rules kingdom and managers rules companies, and but sir, you rule the impossible. So you manage hundreds of naughty students like us, and so wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. I truly felt privileged to wish our director sir a very happy birthday. Sir, you made accounts so simple and interesting that even the most difficult concepts felt so easy. सर, मुझे आज भी याद है जब मैं सीए के टाइम पे अकाउंट्स कर रही होती थी, चाहे वो फाउंडेशन की बात हो चाहे फाइनल की बात हो, तो मुझे आपकी आवाज़ कानों में गूंजती थी कि जैसे सर बोल रहे हैं कि बस जर्नल एंट्री कर लो, बाकी सब हो गया. एंड लिटरली जर्नल एंट्रीज ऐसे हो गई थी कि वो खून में बह रही हैं. एंड सर, योर मोटिवेशन. Sir, once in class 12th you just came to me and you just said कि खाना पीना छोड़ दो, मुंह धोना भूल जाओ. Sir, today I can say that your student did the same, and I can proudly say that I am a chartered accountant because of the foundation you led in me. तो सर, इसी के साथ आपका साल बहुत अच्छा है. आप एकदम हेल्दी रहो, वेल्दी रहो, और साथ ही साथ बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसे ही इंस्पायर करते रहो. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello to all. Hello to very respected Dr. Chaman Bhatia. First of all, wish you a very happy return of the day, sir. May God bless you with lot of good health and success. Thanks for your inspiration and motivation as always. I still remember the quotation, winners do not do different things, they do things differently. So thank you so much, sir. I still remember my days for the day boarding, school time. It's really awesome. It's worthful. And thank you so much, sir. See you soon.
Hello, sir. Very happy birthday. I wish you a great health and lots of happiness. Even though I'm not there today, but I still consider myself as a proud member of Gurukul family. The teachings and the scoldings that Gurukul gave me are still guiding my path to success. And yes, I can proudly say that I'm working as an AP specialist in one of the second largest mining company of Canada. This got all possible because of you. Thank you so much. Thank you all the memories that Gurukul gave me, especially Lucknow wali sir. बहुत पिटाई हुई थी हमारी उस दिन, बट वो मेरी लाइफ के बेस्ट दिन थे. सो सब चीज़ों के लिए थैंक यू. Stay happy, stay healthy, and very happy birthday. See you. Bye bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. Thank you for shaping our future in the right direction. मुझे ना आपकी बात हमेशा याद रहती है. आप कहते थे ना, external motivation never works. पापा ने डांट दिया, मैंने डांट दिया तो तुम पढ़ लोगे नहीं. What motivates you exactly is your अंदर की आग. तो अपने अंदर आग पैदा करो and start studying. Sir, here I am today in my girls hostel MBBS recording a video for you. Thank you for shaping our future in the right direction. You are the definition of a perfect principal, perfect guide and a perfect mentor for us. Thank you, sir. I wish you all the success. I wish आप गुरुकुल की बहुत सारी branches खोलें in the future. Thank you, sir. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, sir. I hope you remember me. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy birthday. Thanks for everything. Thanks for inspiring me, motivating me. Just because of you, I am standing here. Thanks for everything. Live long. Happy birthday once again. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, Chaman sir. Long time no see. I think it's someone's birthday today. Guess what? It's yours. So wishing you a very happy birthday all the way from Canada. Even though I'm like miles away from you right now, but my respect and gratitude for you remains as close as ever. So I want to thank you not just for like teaching me subjects, but also shaping my mindset and guiding me through important part of my life. Because if it wasn't you who forced me to do CA after doing my 12th back in India, I wouldn't be sitting here in Canada working as an auditor in top 5 international companies of the world. So whatever I have achieved, wherever I am today, you are one of the big reasons behind it. I pray for your health, your happiness, and a long life filled with peace and joy. Have a wonderful birthday, sir. You truly deserve the best. And one more thing, it is your big day, so make it count. And yeah, whenever I get a chance to visit India, I will definitely come to school. I will also visit school and relive all my old memories. So yeah, happy birthday to you again. Cheers.
बार बार